Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade multiple accounts on Tradovate. So first of all, you need to log in into your Tradovate account. Over here, you are going to see this type of account section. So you need to simply just click on it. Now, if you have multiple eligible accounts under the same login, you will see the option of create new account over here, which is going to look something like this. So over here, you just have to either select the option of manage groups, or you can also select the option of create new depending on the version of the Tradovate application that you are using. So over here, when the pop-up of the group name appears in front of you, you need to just simply provide the name of this particular group. Afterwards, simply hit OK. Now, as soon as you do this, your group is going to be created, which you can again find by clicking on this drop down menu, and then you will find your group name. You can just simply select that group over here, and when that particular group comes here on the top in the account section, it simply means that now in that particular group you have multiple accounts available. You can also click on the option of the settings icon or the gear icon in the right next to the group, and then you can basically arrange all of your accounts over here too. So if you place one order here on your Tradovate account, you need to also select how many accounts you have in that particular group. So for example, let's say in that group you have 5 accounts and you want to place the trade in all the 5 accounts. So instead of 1, you need to basically select the quantity as 5, so that it could basically place the orders in your group. So that's how basically you can place the order. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.